Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send traffic to your DM. I'm not saying they're going to convert, I'm just going to tell you how to increase your messages and eventually convert them over a period of time. And this is a campaign that can be done on your Meta ad account. I know many people don't run this campaign, but there is a funnel called the marketing funnel: your awareness, your consideration, and eventually your conversion. And this campaign falls under your consideration. So as important as the awareness and the conversion, the consideration is also important. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is welcome to the SoundClass Academy. We have created a lot of tutorials step by step to up to this level, from the awareness to other type of awareness campaigns and systems that you can use to improve your business and marketing on Meta, right? And if you have not watched all those videos, I'll advise you go back to just have knowledge about them before coming to this video, because it will help you and help us help you well. With that being said, this video we're going to be creating both the warm and cold audience version of this campaign, and we have created the audience before now, so I don't want you to be lost during the video, so you can easily go and check the warm and cold audience on the channel, which we have also created. With that being said, now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is, I said this is a consideration, so you're trying to drive traffic to increase the number of people that would request and message you about your product. As important as conversion is, the consideration is also important. I always break my campaign into awareness, consideration, and conversion campaigns, and this campaign falls under the consideration, which I've said earlier. So the first thing you do is to create, and then you click on traffic. So then you can see here we created the website landing. Now you want to increase the number of messages you can get. Then you click on your manual campaign traffic. So this campaign, how I name my campaigns, or over the period of time, you will have learned it that you have to name your campaign with the objective in mind, so you can easily go back to the campaign or search for it when you have bulk campaigns or multiple campaigns running simultaneously. So this campaign is more of a message campaign, so a message traffic campaign. So I'm trying to drive traffic, I'm trying to get more people to buy, not exactly instantly, but over a period of time, right? So then the next thing is an auction. Then we have the traffic here. We want to increase that DM. We want to increase the number of our DMs. So do I have several campaigns on my ad asset? Yes, I have two, but I don't have to create a budget on the campaign level. I only have the cold and the warm. But for cases where you have the cold, the warm, the experiential, and the testing, there you can advise your algorithm to share the budget, probably if you don't have money. But in this case, I have the money, probably just dividing it into two, because it's just warm and cold. I'm not doing the 4 types of ad asset campaigns. So am I doing a A/B test? No, I'm not doing an A/B test for this campaign. So with that being said, next, so what is the idea of this campaign? I'm trying to drive traffic to a message app. So I'll just click message. You know how we do it. You leave it when the campaign is properly set. You've done setting it, then you now complete the name, so now the objective of this campaign, what am I achieving? What's the destination? I want to get more messages on my app. Just want people to inquire, and I want the right people to inquire even though they are not buying yet, right? So the algorithm has selected that. You can see it has also highlighted all the platforms I will need to send them to. For this campaign, I just want to send them to my Instagram and Messenger. Then how much do I like to spend for this campaign? I used to tell people, don't limit your algorithm. Don't try to think for the algorithm. Give it all the budget, give it all the money, and let this algorithm do it for you. The same way I want you to do it for me by hitting that subscribe button. I know you have led or you have been watching our videos over a period of time, but it is time you actually support us by the value we are giving to you. You can just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, and also leave a comment about the video you're watching or the videos you have watched and what you think you have learned. We will really love to get your feedback to improve and learn more, also to help you learn more. With that being said, I also want to introduce SoundClass to you. SoundClass is an advertising agency based in Africa, and we fully focus on digital campaigns from Google to Instagram to Twitter to programmatic campaigns. We help business scale from $10,000 to $100,000 and even more, right? And we have decided to share this in our academy videos so you can learn our strategies and believe in us. So that's the importance of this. So if you would love to increase the sales of your business, increase your market revenue, you want to get more customers, then you can easily reach out to us or book a call on our website www.soundclass.com, or you can send an email to us at soundclass@gmail.com, and definitely we will reach out to you. Bear in mind that we also have a 30 days free trial to set up your campaign, to do all your setup, and just to have you believe in our marketing strategy. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video we have started. So right now I'll change this from daily to lifetime budget. So now the algorithm has to set the whole money, because the reason why I'm putting it on lifetime budget, there are some days where the algorithm would decide to spend just 1,000 naira. There are some days where the algorithm would decide to spend 10,000 naira. There are some days where the algorithm would decide to spend even more because of the quality of audience that online presently, the kind of traffic online, and those things are very important. So you trying to think for the algorithm would limit your result. So I love leaving it on lifetime budget. So your date and time, you set your date and time, then ad scheduling. Please don't schedule your ad. I think from the previous videos and every other video I have created, I always explain that creating your ad schedule or saying, oh, people are not online from 8 to 5, I think you are looking from a perspective of very small number, because people are always online all around the clock, and you saying, oh, don't show my ads to people from 12 to 5 a.m, don't show my ad, probably that's when your ideal audience are online, right? Because the fact that you have worked with 100,000 people, what happened to the remaining 1 billion people? What happens to the remaining 50 billion people out there that don't know you exist? So you don't try to limit the algorithm. Let the AI, let the meta AI do the magic, right? So I don't limit my ad. For this campaign, I'm going to be creating the warm version of this campaign, and in that sense you have to click on your switch to original audience. So now I want to create the warm version, means people who have interacted with your page, people who have liked your videos, people who have visited your page and never followed, people who have visited your website and never followed, people who have watched your videos and didn't really never commented, and you're trying to retarget them again. And that's what we are doing. I've created a video on how to create those retargeting audience, so I'm just going to be implementing them here. So we have the video viewers, we have the lookalike audience, we have the page visitors, we have the videos, people who have watched my videos all across platforms. So now you can see our audience is quite tight. Now setting the location, the age would really shrink my audience. So, and that's not something I don't want to do at all. So with that being said, I would just leave it open both for Instagram and Facebook. Now I'll come back to my name and I'll say message, and I'll call it warm audience. So this is for my warm audience, right? So message warm. Next, I'll set up the ad. So now for this campaign, I'm going to be using an existing post. In my previous video, I used created post. So this is going to be ad 1. Also bear in mind you can set up to 6 different ads here, so the algorithm can keep testing different ad that would work with your audience over the period of time. So you can set up 6 different ads. It doesn't mean they'll charge you more, they just choose different ads to show your audience different time interval, right? So I love to call my ads ad 1 or ad 2. So your ads are your creative. They can be videos, they can be GIFs. So they're just the creatives that your marketing agency has designed, and that's something we can do for you. I know you are watching this video and you are really learning a lot of things. So do us the honor by just hitting the subscribe button and sharing this video with a friend. Thank you for doing that. Have you done it? Hold on. Okay, do it now. You've done it. Thank you so much for subscribing. So talking about the video, I'm so excited right now because you have subscribed. So talking about the video, we are using existing post, and we are just going to select the post we want to use. So I have created different posts over the period of time before now, so I'll just pick any of it for now. This is actually for contest. You can use the video that really communicates with your customers, and that's something I'm doing here. I just want to pick one post that I believe this is something my customers resonate with. So I've selected it. I'll click continue. So you can preview the video. As you can see, now people can send me message, cause after watching my videos they are considering. Bear in mind this is a consideration phase and not a conversion. Videos for conversion campaigns would be shared on the platform, so you need to subscribe. This is a consideration video and not a conversion type of campaign, but most times they tend to convert because people here are interested in your offer but might not be at the right point or right time to buy, but you need to have access to them in the funnel, just the same way you want to have access to the people at the awareness phase. So awareness, consideration, then conversion. So you have a message, you've add your call to action here, send a message, and you have your message reply. You can edit this and change it to what you want by clicking edit, and after that you will publish. But I won't publish my ad just yet. I would create duplicate of my warm audience, quick duplicate. So now I want to create the cold version, because the warm are people who have interacted with my content. What about people who have never heard about me, have never seen me? How would they interact with my content? So with that being said, I would create what they call cold audience here. So these are people who have never interacted with my content. So I would go down to the same budget I want to use, the same time, so they are running simultaneously. While the warm audience is reaching out to people who know me, the cold audience is reaching out to people who don't know me. And for the message, I love to keep it open, because defining this audience is when you have enough data from your awareness phase and you believe that, okay, I have studied my people who are following me, people who are interested in me, and these are their details. Then you can now put in your saved audience, which I have taught you how to create, and you need to watch a video on how to get a saved audience. But if you know how to do it, that's a plus for you. But you can also search your channel to learn how to create a saved audience. So for me now, I'm going to create an open mark for this, and an open mark means the algorithm would use the cold warm audience to compare my people who might be interested in what I do. So I'll leave it in use advantage audience. So now the algorithm is set to just look at what other things are in that campaign and use it to augment the cold audience. So as you can see here, the algorithm has designed an audience in mind already, not just because of the warm audience, but also using the data I have been in like given to it, right? So I can define this audience for that. I can edit it by clicking here and just add some information that, okay, these are the things I want you to add, these are the age, but the algorithm is fine. I trust the algorithm. For over the years, I realized that working with the algorithm and you speaking the algorithm language helps your campaign becomes more successful. Now you can go to the ad level, that's for the cold audience, and you can decide to change the post, or either ways leave it at that or add more content. I know you have learned a lot in this episode, and that is the end of this tutorial. I would love to hear what you think about our tutorials and how much it has impacted your business. And for those looking for marketing solutions, you can always reach out to us at www.soundclass.com. You can just book a time. It's free, nothing, no cost, no hidden charges anywhere. We're just doing this to help your business grow and scale. And for those who want to really launch a campaign, you can also book a call. We have a free 30-day trial for you and your agency or company. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.